I'm Simon Minette from Challoch Energy, and we are in the process of running a project funded by WSRID, which is a Welsh government scheme, looking at decarbonising the timber transport industry. Timber transport industry is the largest or the second largest employer in Mid Wales, and it's a very significant emitter of carbon dioxide through its diesel use. So we're working with the various stakeholders in the industry, so the haulage industry. So I'm standing in front of one of the hauliers that's involved in that process with NLW, the people who own the forest, and then the people who use the timber, and working out how we decarbonise that process. The process is to take surplus wind power, potentially other surplus electricity generation from green sources, turn it into green hydrogen, and use the green hydrogen as a replacement for the diesel fuel within these trucks and the other vehicles that are used in the process as a whole. We're at the early stages of this project, so we've been gathering the stakeholders around the table to talk to them about what their needs would be. We've been looking at potential sites for the green hydrogen production, and then looking at all the logistics that go with that process, from storing hydrogen places for use, for transporting that place to where it's going to need. So that could be at depots, or it could be in the forest itself. It's early doors at the moment. It's a very significant project, and we think that this has enormous potential for the forest industry. And if we can get it right in the forest industry, then it can apply to other sectors where it's in the hard to decarbonise process with so farming and rail and heavy haulage for road transport.